Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tender report for Paul in Florida on this RCI-2970N4. Paul, I got you all ready to go, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. We're powering this puppy on our 200 amp supply today. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 500 watt slug. Yeah, we set it at 10 watts, Paul, all the way down. Now you're not going to want to run it that way unless you're going to run an amplifier, and that way you got full adjustability. There's 150 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 270 bird. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. A little over 600 PEP. Paul's going to work great out for you, man. We're going to roll this out Monday, and most definitely appreciate your patience. We've been waiting quite a while for these to come in. So, if this is something you're interested in, just give me a shout, www.truckscbsales.com. Oh, and bump.